Garlic, scientifically known as Allium sativum, is a versatile herbaceous plant revered for both its culinary and medicinal properties. Belonging to the onion family, Alliaceae, garlic has been cultivated for thousands of years across various cultures for its distinctive flavor and potent health benefits. Growth and habitat. Garlic thrives in moderate climates with well-drained soil and plenty of sunlight. It is typically propagated by planting individual cloves in the fall for harvesting in late spring or summer. Originating from Central Asia, garlic is now cultivated worldwide, adapting well to diverse environments. Edible uses and parts used. The primary edible part of garlic is the bulb, composed of several cloves enclosed in a papery skin. These cloves are used fresh or cooked to add flavor to countless dishes, ranging from soups and sauces to marinades and stir-fries. Garlic can also be consumed raw, offering a pungent, spicy kick to salads and dressings. Medicinal uses. Please note this video is for educational purposes only and is not meant to diagnose, treat, or cure any ailment, illness, or disease. I recommend you consult with a healthcare professional who is knowledgeable about complementary medicine before trying anything new. Garlic boasts a rich history of medicinal use, supported by modern research validating its efficacy in various health conditions. Ingestion methods. Garlic can be consumed raw, cooked, or in supplemental forms such as capsules and extracts. Medicinal infused vinegars, where garlic is steeped in vinegar for extended periods, are popular for their dual culinary and health benefits. And this is one of my own favorite ways to ingest garlic daily. To create this infused vinegar, simply pour apple cider vinegar into a jar, finely a whole head of garlic and place into the vinegar. Remember, the more finely chopped or macerated, the more medicinal benefits you will reap. Add any herbs. Typically, I will add tulsi, rosemary, thyme, and basil. This gives both a flavor boost and more medicinal properties. Be sure to use freshly dehydrated herbs and not fresh herbs or store-bought dehydrated varieties. FYI, in a pinch I have used store-bought dehydrated herbs, as well as store-bought apple cider vinegar and even the garlic. Always remember you do the best you can with what you are able to get. The medicinal properties will still be there, just possibly diluted or weakened. Treating infections. Garlic exhibits potent antimicrobial properties effective against viral, bacterial, and parasitic infections. It is used to combat colds, flu, and intestinal parasites. Fungal infections. Garlic's antifungal properties make it effective against fungal infections like thrush, yeast infections, and dermatophytosis, skin fungal infections. Digestive health. It aids in digestion by stimulating gastric juices and promoting a healthy gut flora, alleviating bloating and indigestion. Diabetes management. Garlic helps lower blood sugar levels in diabetics by enhancing insulin sensitivity and reducing insulin resistance. Respiratory conditions. For bronchitis, whooping cough, and congestion, garlic acts as an expectorant, loosening mucus and easing breathing. Cardiovascular benefits. Garlic reduces elevated blood cholesterol levels and hypertension by improving circulation and lowering LDL, bad cholesterol. Skin conditions. When applied topically or ingested, garlic helps treat corns, warts, and acne due to its antimicrobial and anti-inflammatory properties. For topical application of garlic, especially for treating skin conditions like warts, acne, or fungal infections, a salve made with garlic-infused oil can be highly effective. Here's how you can create a garlic-infused oil salve. Garlic-infused oil salve recipe. Ingredients: fresh garlic cloves, carrier oil, such as olive oil, coconut oil, or almond oil, beeswax for solidifying the salve. Instructions: prepare the garlic-infused oil. Crush or finely chop fresh garlic cloves to release allicin, the active compound. Heat a carrier oil, e.g. olive oil, gently in a double boiler or on low heat. Add the crushed garlic to the warm oil and let it infuse over low heat for 1-2 hours. Avoid boiling the mixture to retain the beneficial properties of garlic. Alternatively, you can infuse the oil at room temperature over several days to a week in a sealed jar, shaking it daily to mix. Strain the oil. Once infused, strain the oil through a fine mesh sieve or cheesecloth to remove the garlic solids. Press gently to extract all the infused oil. Make the salve. If desired, Add beeswax to the infused oil to create a solid salve. Use approximately 1 ounce of beeswax per cup of infused oil for a firmer consistency, lessen to 1/2 ounce for a softer salve. Heat the infused oil and beeswax together gently until the beeswax melts completely. Stir well to combine. Cool and store. Pour the liquid salve into clean, sterilized jars or tins. Allow the salve to cool and solidify at room temperature. How to use the garlic salve. Apply a small amount of the cooled salve directly to the affected area of the skin. Massage gently into the skin until absorbed. Repeat 2-3 times daily or as needed for relief. Tips for using garlic salve? Patch test. Before applying the salve over larger areas, do a patch test on a small area of skin to ensure there is no adverse reaction. Storage. Store the salve in a cool, dry place away from direct sunlight to maintain its potency. Duration. Use the salve consistently until the skin condition improves. Discontinue use if irritation occurs. This garlic-infused oil salve combines the antimicrobial and anti-inflammatory properties of garlic with the soothing effects of the carrier oil, making it an excellent natural remedy for various skin ailments. In conclusion, garlic stands as a testament to nature's medicinal bounty, offering a broad spectrum of health benefits from immune support and cardiovascular health to digestive aid and skin rejuvenation. Whether incorporated into daily cooking or used in therapeutic preparations, garlic remains a timeless ally in promoting overall well-being and vitality. By exploring its diverse applications, from combating infections to enhancing culinary delights, garlic continues to captivate and heal, making it an indispensable addition to both kitchen pantries and natural medicine cabinets alike.